Want more videos like this? Just subscribe to our channel. You do not need to spend lots of money on pedicures and expensive foot care products because there are natural remedies that can help in the treatment of cracked heels. Using these natural remedies will help make the skin on your soles soft. One of the best remedies is the 3-step method presented below. Step 1. Warm water treatment. Materials required: 2 tablespoon baking soda, 2 tablespoon salt, warm water, pumice stone. Directions: place lukewarm water in a small basin. Add salt and baking soda. Mix it. Soak your feet in the water for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, dry your feet. Then rub gently using pumice stone to remove dead skin layers. Step 2. Scrub. Materials required: 2 tablespoon oil sugar. Directions: put 2 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon sugar in a bowl. Rub your heels and feet gently using this mixture for at least 5 minutes. Wash your feet using water. Step 3. Moisturizer. Materials required: candle, olive oil. Directions: place 1 tablespoon olive oil and a small piece of candle in hot water. Wait for the candle to melt and for the water to cool down. Apply the mixture onto the feet. Put on socks. Wear the socks overnight and then remove in the morning. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button and then tapping the bell icon, so you will be first know when we post the videos.